Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kiwi the Wolf. The makeup's kind of starting to come off, so it's kind of irritated. Sorry if y'all can hear my music in the background. I'm kind of gotta be quiet right now because kids are asleep. Also, mom's asleep, so. I'm sorry. I cannot keep a straight face right now. My cat keeps looking at me like I'm insane. And probably am. Because who else dresses up like this at freaking 4:33 in the morning? Crap, that means they're gonna be awake soon, so I'm gonna have to make this quick. So, what I can help you understand what this channel is about, basically me and Leo the Lion 98 actually will do a lot of challenge videos. Not only that, but we're gonna kick each other's asses in video games. Seriously. We have this secret competitive streak against each other. So if I kill a certain amount of humans, he has to kill twice as many. Crap. Like I said, makeup's coming off. Well, makes me sad that I'm not gonna be able to do more than 2 or 3 minutes, which sucks. But I will do one later as soon as they leave. So if you read, if you watch this and you see this, then a little later on, I promise, I will update. Because I'm kind of one of the only people out of school today. I graduated last year. Yeah, they still got to school. I'm also on the Wolf Pack, so if you look down at my subscriptions, you'll see that Wolf Pack thing. There will soon be a logo. I'm in charge of making it, and we're actually making this giant anime for our Wolfpack channel, so I'm also in charge of doing that anime. So I'm gonna do our characters in human form with our animal-like abilities. If you haven't, there it is. This is actually one of my first videos that I haven't been super nervous to talk to people, which is really weird because if you know me, I'm really antisocial unless I really know you. So yeah, I did my makeup for you guys. I look so weird. But my friend Wolfie, she does all these makeup tutorials and she's amazing with her makeup, and she's actually going to help me learn how to do my makeup to impress this guy that I like, who's currently, I'm going to say out of commission because I don't want to put anything personal out here on my channel until it gets, taken off, until I really have more information. Then yeah, I don't want to put anything personal on my channel. But she's gonna help me get my makeup done and everything and make me look like, well, an actual girl. Because you can ask anybody. I don't usually do this. Kinda look cute doing this, and I don't like the word cute. I don't like the word girly. I hate it all. As you can see behind me, there's not really much girliness behind me. It's just a bunch of artistic design. If you look over there, I have my awesome tree of Fantasia, kind of. So it's awesome. My friend, I'm not gonna say his name, but he's a cosplayer, and he drew a rose, and he showed me it because he wanted to like do tattoo designs. So what I did was I traced his rose on my wall, and I ended up painting it, and it looks great. Just FYI. But he's also a great artist. I don't have his, I can't think of his, you should totally go and check out, trying, okay, you should totally go check out sun_pilgrim_cosplay_. Wait, no, don't underscore after that. But he's a really good friend of mine. He's awesome, amazing. He's amazing with cosplays. You should totally go check him out. He also has a Facebook page, which, by the way, I'm gonna actually put my information on here so y'all can actually, if you want to, friend me on Facebook. Perfectly fine. I actually plan on doing live videos on Facebook. I want to see if I have, so I can show you. So, my friend who's, currently out of commission, the one that I like, I did him a painting. He loves sloths. He's also kind of a Bob Marley fan, so as you can see, I painted him something. It's not done yet, not even close. So I'm working on that, just so you can see kind of what I do. Be right back. Where did that thing go? I'll also do little sculptures of clay. See? Because I do roses. Really cute. I actually did this one while I painted it while it was drying, and it actually turned out really pretty. See? Damn it! Okay, my nose is still okay, that's kind of sad. But it's starting to itch. But totally will do a video later on for you guys, but I kind of gotta go to bed now, I know, right? As soon as I get it completely going for this video, I have to go to sleep. Well, 18-year-olds gotta work. Well, trying to work, but basically, since I don't have a job yet, Mother Dearest and Jeremy, he's my stepdad, but they have decided that I'm in charge of making dinner, so I have to learn a whole recipe today, which is actually awesome. I'll actually do cooking videos too if y'all want me to do that. I will do everything. Not kidding. You want to talk politics? We'll talk politics. You want to watch me do art? Watch me do art. I might even set out a calendar and give you events of when I'll do what. Or y'all can just request it. Completely okay with that. I really look weird. I've got to take a picture for him. Or he can just watch this video. What am I even saying? And I'm talking to myself. Sorry. I actually do that a lot. So, just a warning, I also talk with my hands. So, peace. by. Hopefully you'll check out those other channels. And have a good morning or night, depending on where you are. Oh. And Seymour will bring us out. Peace.